Hello everyone, welcome to Pullback Indicators. Today I'm going to explain Bank Nifty Intraday strategy using Pullback Indicators. This strategy will also work for Nifty Futures. So let's go to the strategy first. The chart time will be 5 minutes and contract will be Bank Nifty Index Futures, and we will use regular candlestick pattern. So now let me tell you the buy setup. First, wait for the indicator to give a buy signal. As we receive buy signal, we will not enter the trade immediately. We will wait for our confirmation candle. Our confirmation candle will be the closing price of the next candle has to be higher than the closing price of the signal candle. If the closing price of the next candle is lesser than the closing price of the signal candle, then we can consider up to next 4 to 5 candles, whichever comes first. This means we will enter into the trade only if the closing price of the next candle is higher than the closing price of the signal candle, or else we will leave the trade. We will also avoid any signal which comes after 2 p.m. and stop loss will be the previous low of signal candle. Also, we will add some buffer points to the stop loss. What does buffer point mean? Adding some extra points to our existing stop loss. Now let me tell you the sell setup. First, wait for the indicator to give a sell signal. As you know, as we receive sell signal, we will not enter into the trade immediately, but wait for our confirmation candle. Our confirmation candle now will be the closing price of the next candle has to be lesser than the closing price of the signal candle. In case if the closing price of the next candle is higher than the closing price of the signal candle, then we can consider up to next 4 or 5 candles, whichever comes first, and stop loss will be the previous candle high of signal candle. Also, we will add some buffer points to the stop loss, and this is our no trading zone. We will not trade when we get this kind of situations. I have personally backtested this strategy for last 3 months and the results are outstanding, and lot of people have made good profits using this indicator. Before I begin, first let's see the trading rules. This is pure Bank Nifty 5 minutes intraday strategy, no carry forward. No trading on signal after 2 p.m. Don't overtrade and always stick to stop loss. Target will be 1:1 when stop loss is more than 200 points. Target will be 1:2 when stop loss is within 200. When we make profit from first signal, then quit trading for the day. Always hold on to your profits. When we lose on first trade, we will attempt second trade only if we get signal only on the same script, and our target will be the loss amount only. Whenever you have doubts or confused, don't enter into the market. No trading is also a strategy. Before jumping into any trade, always do backtesting and start with paper trading for at least 2 to 4 days. This will not only perfect your trade but also give you confidence. I have backtested this strategy for the last 90 days and I will show you how was the performance of Bank Nifty for last 3 months. I have also calculated the daily profits and losses of the trades. Now let us go to the charts. We will begin from today, 31st March. As you can see, today morning we got a buy signal here and the next candle has also given us a confirmation, but before our target could be achieved, we got a sell signal. So when we got a sell signal, we normally get the sell signal at the beginning of the candle. We have to exit our existing position. Hence, we made a small loss of 135 points almost. After that, again we got a buy signal, but we did not get any confirmation on the buy signal. Then again we got a sell signal. As you know, we do not trade on any signal which comes after 2 p.m. So we will avoid this trade. Let me go to 30th. In 30th also, the previous day, again we got a sell signal here. The next candle has also given us a confirmation, but our stop loss got triggered and we made a loss of 75 points. This is 29th March. Again we got a sell signal here. our next candle has also given us the confirmation, but there was a stop loss of 251 points. And after that we again got a buy signal, and since it was after 2 p.m. so we will avoid the trade. Here 28th March we got a sell signal here, and during this trade again we got a buy signal. So our entry was here, and when we received the buy signal we exited cost to cost, and then we got a buy signal here. The next candle has also given us the confirmation, and we achieved our target of 288 points. So as you know, if stop loss is within 200 points, then our target will be double, and if stop loss is more than 200 points, then we will go for 1:1 targets. Here you can see on 25th March both the signals were after 2 p.m. 24th March also we got a buy signal, but no trade happened. Again we got a sell signal here, and see we made a profit of 239 points. This is 23rd March, we got a sell signal. The next candle has also given us a confirmation, and we made a profit of 329 points. Now some of you might say that the previous high, which is our stop loss, is lesser than the signal candle. In that case we will consider the last previous candle, whichever will be higher. So in this case this candle high is greater than the signal candle, so we will consider this candle high, and just see from here it went down and we made a profit of 329 points. This is 22nd March, no trade due to sell signal on green candle. Remember, the first signal which we got, the sell signal was in a green candle, so we will not enter into the trade. Again we got a buy signal, but there was no trade because the next candle did not give us a confirmation. Again we got a sell signal, same here also. After that again we got a buy signal. The next candle also has given us the confirmation, and we achieved a target of 269 points. Let us see some more. This is 21st March, buy signal, and no trade happened. Again a sell signal, and by the time we got a buy signal and we exited cost to cost. So like this I have back tested for 90 days. 15th March we got a sell signal here. The next candle has also given us the confirmation, and we have achieved our target of 225 points. After that again we got a buy signal, which was after 2 o'clock also, but you have to remember, when we make profit from the first signal we will not trade any further for that day, because we have to hold on to our profits. This is 14th March, we got a buy signal on the first candle itself, but as you can see no trade happened. Why? Because we have not got any confirmation from the next candle, or the next 4 to 5 candles has not given us any confirmation, so we let go this trade. This is 11th March, we got a sell signal here, and as you can see nor our target hit nor our stop loss got hit, and 315 we exited with a loss of 105 points. This is 10th March, we got a sell signal here, and this was our confirmation candle, and we already achieved our target of 364 points. And after that we got a buy signal, it is after 2 p.m. 9th March, no signal. This is 8th March, we got a sell signal here today in the morning, but no trade happened on this signal. Again we got a buy signal, again no trade happened. Again we got a sell signal here, and by just 50 points we missed our target and we made a loss of 109 points. Again we got a buy signal here, and the next candle has given us a confirmation, and we recovered a loss of 109 points. Remember, we will enter onto the second trade only to recover our losses, not to make any further profits. Then this is 7th of March. Again 7th of March we made a loss of 166 points. This is 4th March, no trade on first signal. Second signal we got a buy signal and we made a profit of 392 points. On 3rd March we got a sell signal here and a stop loss got triggered. After that we got a buy signal here, but no trade happened because the closing price of the next candle and the closing price of the signal candle were almost same. When closing price of both the candles are almost same or nearly the same, we won't enter into the trade. Again we got a sell signal here, and you can see we have recovered a loss of 117 points. So in 3rd March our profit and loss was 0. This is 2nd March, again there was no trade on 2nd March. Now we have entered February. On 28th Feb we made a profit of 190 points. On 25th Feb we made a profit of 500 points. 24th Feb there was no signal. 23rd Feb we made a loss of 102 points. On 22nd of February we made a loss on this signal of 97 points. Again we got a buy signal here and we recovered our 97 points. Now some of you might think that here we are only getting the arrows, and in the previous sell and buy was coming. This happened because after 22nd Feb we updated the layout of our indicator. That is the reason. 21st Feb we got a profit of 240 points. Since we already made a profit from our first signal, then as you know, we will not trade on any other signals further. 18th Feb no trade. 17th no trade because marginal difference in closing price, and the second signal was after 2 p.m. 16th Feb again we made a profit of 275 points. 15th Feb on the second signal we made a loss of 142 points, and on the third signal we recovered our 142 points. 14th Feb no trade, no signal. 11th Feb first signal we made a loss of almost 69 points, and the second signal was after 2 p.m. 10th of February we got a buy signal here in the morning, and since our stop loss was more than 200 points, so we were waiting for our 1:1 targets, but we could not achieve our targets. By then the sell signal came here and we exited with a profit of 140 points. 9th Feb again no signal. 8th Feb we made a profit of 353 points. 7th February we made a profit of 391 points. 4th Feb on the first signal we made a loss of 270 points, and on the second signal we recovered our 270 points, resulting on no profit, no loss. This is 3rd Feb. We got a sell signal here in the morning, but as you can see at the end we again got a buy signal and we exited with a loss of 71 points, and on the second signal we recovered our 71 points. 2nd Feb no signal. This is 1st Feb, and we got a sell signal here but no confirmation, and the second signal which we got, it was after 2 p.m. So again no trade on 1st Feb. Now we have entered Jan. 31st Jan we got a buy signal here on the first candle itself, but no trade happened. After that again we got a sell signal, but eventually our stop loss got triggered and we made a loss of almost 268 points. Again we got a buy signal here, but unfortunately again second time our stop loss got triggered. Very shortly I will also upload a live trading video on Bank Nifty futures and share the link on the description box of this video. Remember, the key to success using this indicator is by following the proper strategy with discipline and sticking to our trading rules. This is 28th Jan. We made a profit of 289 points. This is 27th Jan. You can see we got a sell signal here in the morning, but the sell signal was on a green candle, so we will avoid any trade. And then again we got a buy signal here, and the next candle also gave us a confirmation, and we achieved our target of almost 363 points. As you know, when we buy, the previous candle low is our stop loss, but here the low is higher than the signal candle. In that case, the previous candle low will be our stop loss. So here we have achieved a profit of 363 points. 25th Jan we made a profit of 344 points. This is 24th Jan. Again we made a profit of 263 points. 21st Jan we got a sell signal here and we made a loss of 124 points, and then again we got a buy signal here and we recovered our 124 points. 20th Jan we got a sell signal here first, but no trade happened. Then again we got a buy signal and we made a loss of 99 points, and again after that we got a sell signal and we recovered our 99 points. This is 19th Jan, no signal, and this signal is after 2 p.m. 18th Jan we made a profit of 400 points. 17th Jan we exited at cost to cost. 14th Jan we made 132 points. 12th Jan we got a buy signal here and made a loss of 55 points. Again we got a second signal and again we made a loss of 95 points. Almost 150 points loss for the day. 11th Jan we made a loss of 233 points, and then we got a buy signal but no trade happened here, and then again on the third signal was after 2 p.m. This is 10 Jan. We made a loss of 118 points, and again we got a buy signal. Again we made a loss of 82 points. 7th Jan, we got a buy signal here, and then after that we got a sell signal. So we had to exit on cost to cost, and then again on the second signal we made a profit of 227 points. 6th Jan, we made a loss of 82 points on the first signal, and then we again recovered our loss of 82 points on the third signal, and second signal there was no confirmation. 5th Jan, we got the signal after 2 p.m. so no trade happened. 4th Jan, again we got a sell signal but no trade happened, and the second signal was after 2 p.m. and this is 3rd Jan, we got a buy signal on a red candle, so again no trade happened. In the last 3 months the market moved as it had to move. We never tried to predict the market, whether it will go up or down or in which direction it will go. We just applied our strategy, and it was the money management which made us profitable. Let me show you in Excel how much points we have made using this indicator and strategy in the last 3 months. So in the month of January we made a total of 1052 points. In the month of February we made a total of 1918 points, and in March we made total 1374 points. This means if you have traded with just one lot, in January you have earned rupees 26,300, in the month of February you have earned 47,950, in the month of March you have earned 34,350. The profit which I have calculated is for one lot only. What if you have traded with 2 lots? All of you must be thinking that it will just be the double of what I have earned on the respective months. No. When we trade with 2 lots, we will use a separate strategy. That strategy I will come up with a new video later on. When we use 2 lot strategy, our profit is not double, but our profit is almost 2.5 times. This is a AI powered indicator. That means it will get evolved with time. In this strategy, money management is very good. You don't have to use multiple indicators. Use only one indicator is more than enough. The overall accuracy of this indicator is almost 90%. Remember, every strategy has risk, so you have to follow proper trading rules. You will not get results in one day on any strategy. So before jumping into any trade, do proper backtesting. Along with that, at least try to do 3 to 4 days of paper trade. Once you get confidence, then only do real trade. If you have any queries regarding this strategy, you can contact me. To purchase this indicator, you can email at info@pullbackindicators.com or message me on WhatsApp at 9330-223-225. My team will coordinate with you. If you find this content useful, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to be notified. I will try to bring more useful content on the next video. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Happy trading.